Welcome to the start of a new year and the potential to bring in positive changes. New Year's resolutions are a common tradition for most people, but unfortunately, they often don't work. Today, we will look at 3 cogent reasons for this malfunction. Hey, my name is Ngo, and I am passionate about helping you look your best no matter your age. Thank you for stopping by, and if you are new to this channel, then you are in for a real treat. Hit the subscription button and the notification bell to know immediately new videos are released in this channel. Here are the 3 new reasons why New Year's resolutions don't work. 1. Unrealistic goals. Many people set unrealistic goals for themselves, such as losing 50 kilos in a month or quitting smoking cold turkey. These goals are often too difficult to achieve and can lead to disappointments and a sense of failure. 2. Lack of planning. Simply setting a goal is not enough. Without a plan to achieve it, the goal is likely to remain unfulfilled, which is what you don't want. This might include breaking down the goal into smaller, more manageable tasks, setting a deadline, or creating a tracking system to monitor progress. In the description of this video, I have a free goal stroke success planner for you. Grab a copy to start crushing your goals this year. Point number 3, lack of motivation. Even with a realistic goal and a solid plan, people often lack the motivation to follow through with their resolution. This could be due to a lack of accountability, an understanding of the benefits of achieving the goal, or a lack of support from friends and family members. If you think these points are valid, please like this video, because hang on tight, there is more. New Year's resolutions are a great way to set goals and make positive changes in your life and in my life, but they can be difficult to stick to. Here are a few tips on how to make your resolutions work. Point number 1, be specific. Instead of making a general resolution like I want to be healthier, set a specific goal such as I want to lose 10 kilos in the next 3 months. Specific goals are more measurable and easier to track. Point number 2, make a plan. Once you have set your specific goal, create a plan to achieve it. Break your goal down into smaller, manageable tasks and set a deadline for each task. This will help you stay on track and give you a sense of accomplishment as you complete each step. This is where the goal planner that is in the description of this video becomes necessary. It is free for you to download, so go get your copy. Point number 3, be realistic. It's essential to set goals that are achievable. Otherwise, you may become discouraged and give up. If you haven't exercised in a while, don't set a goal to run a marathon in a month. Instead, start with going for a walk or jogging 3 times a week, which is more realistic. Point number 4, find an accountability partner. Having someone to hold you accountable can be a huge motivator. Find a friend or family member who is also working on a resolution and check in with each other regularly. This will give you the support you need to stay on track and reach your goal. Point number 5, my favorite, reward yourself. Remember to celebrate your successes along the way. When you reach a milestone, reward yourself with something special. This will keep you motivated and make the process of achieving your goal more enjoyable. Point number 6, be flexible. Life happens and things may come up that prevent you from sticking to your plan perfectly. Be flexible and adjust your plan as needed. If you slip up or miss a deadline, don't give up. Pick up wherever you left off and keep going. Step by step, just keep going. Don't give up. Remember, change takes time and it's essential to be patient with yourself. With a specific goal, a solid plan, and a supportive accountability partner, you can achieve your New Year's resolution and make positive changes in your life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. All the best. Cheers.